Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to clean install Nvidia graphic driver using DDU. In order to follow the steps, make sure to watch this video right till the end. There are a couple of things you need to remember. So you have to do this before you clean install your graphic drivers. So before you uninstall your graphic drivers, it's best to download the latest version of it so ready to install after depending on what GPU you're grabbing. So for that, what you have to do is you want to open up the control panel, or you just want to go ahead and type in run, and then for the command prompt you want to type in sysdm.cpl and click on the OK button. Make sure that the spelling is correct, and then in the system property select the hardware tab, then click device installation settings. On the other field you want to make sure to click on no use, your device might not work as expected, and click on save changes. After you've actually done it, so now you need to begin with the installation. So from here further on, you just have to make sure to follow the steps. That is, make sure to select Nvidia graphic drivers and get force experience, and then click on agree and continue. Moving on, once again you could see this field, so click on custom and tap the next button. On the other field, you want to make sure to click on perform a clean installation and tap on the next button. As you've done it, so then you want to make sure to click on restart now, and once restart, the installer resumes installing the drivers. When the installer has finished, click the close button. Since the clean installation resets your profile and any custom configuration, sign in to your GeForce Experience client and reconfigure your necessary settings as well. So that's how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.